Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500. This is a 5.9 Laramie, and I'm going to be showing you something very simple. We're going to be checking the power steering fluid. Power steering reservoir is located right under the hood, right here. This is the reservoir. It's a container, and of course you've got the pump with the pulley right here. Okay? When your belt turns, it turns the pulley, turns the pump, circulates it, pushes fluid through to your power steering. Right down there, you've got your power steering box. This one's nice and sprayed down. Anyway, we'll clean off the cap. Try to get off as much debris as we can around the area, just so once we open it up, hopefully we won't get any crud inside there. Cool. This says use approved power steering fluid only. Lift this right up. I'm just going to wipe it off real quick. I'll show you. So we've got full cold with a little arrow and a line there. You turn it over, wipe it off again, sorry. And you've got a hot line right here. This says if it's hot and it's all the way down here, you need to go ahead and add, right? It should be up pretty close to here. If you want to have it someplace down in the middle there, that's fine. If you're checking it when it's cold though, you need to be on the full cold side, and it needs to be anywhere between this line and the middle, all right? Don't have it anywhere here. If it's down this way, you're just gonna have to add a little bit, all right? So we'll just make sure that this right here is looking good, and it is. Right under there looks good. That's where the seal is, keeps the moisture out. All this looks great. Let's go ahead and put this on there, just like that. If you want to, you can spin it so it looks however you want it to look. And go like that. All right, easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.